Yo, it's your boy Freeze. Today I want to show you guys a punching technique. There's many ways to punch: straight punches, Wing Chun punches, hooks and all that. This one's gonna be a really quick, straightforward power punch that's good for initiating a fight or just countering, mostly, and defending yourself if someone's gonna start a fight. So it's basically, you know, a straight jab. That's how it would be without the snap. But what's gonna make it into a different punch is this snapback. So you're gonna pull back here as if you were, as if you're starting a lawnmower, and this is what's gonna create the snap when you punch. So all this in your chest is like a rubber band, it's elastic. As you pull back here, this snaps out. So this is how it's gonna look, just straight like that. And you can do it, you know, from your stance or anything. You know, you're from southpaw. But the most effective is if you're here looking not dangerous, looking normal. Somebody wants to walk up on you, cause trouble, you know, and before they even can get their full punch off, which I'll show you in a second, you're already there. You're just straight, and then from the side, you're just immediately. All right, so again, this is like a good range of this. This Chad here, he's gonna help me demonstrate. All right, so, you know, he's there, here, chest, here to the face, here to the collarbone. Even, you know, if you want to go low, you can. I probably wouldn't. You're gonna have to keep that shoulder really tough and stiff to guard your face if you do, but higher ones you're already in. So like I said, it's good counterattack or start a fight. So let's say somebody's coming up on you aggressively and he's gonna swing. I'm already hands down, I'm already there, you know, before he can even get there. And then I can switch hands, so you come again, I'm already there, you know, like immediately. So with that, it's just gonna be cut him off, half his power. Even if he gets you, it's not gonna be half as powerful as it would have been. So with this punch, if you're gonna be hitting, whether it's jaw or hard surface, I'm gonna demonstrate by punching through a board. But what you want to do to avoid damaging your hand, you don't want your hands to be too loose. You don't want to have a fist that's loose. You know, you don't want to just try to do it fast and then you're half-heartedly doing it and you hurt your hand. So you have to make your wrists and your hands really firm and tight. So what I like to do to prep myself is this squeeze real tight. You know, this is how I just get my hand real tight, and you can even curve your thing in, and this will lock up all of this in here and just get it already ready. You know, you start loose and you just tighten that up, and it's really tight. I'm just squeezing, and that extra squeeze is also going to help to power up those muscles. So, you know, that's just, even you could do it even in the motion. You know, I'm squeezing here, I'm getting ready, and then back. It's just there. So that's going to help from incorrectly punching and getting an injury if your fingers are too loose. So that's what you don't want. Okay. All right, so here now to demonstrate the speed and the power of it again. And like I was saying, so you don't get hurt, you have to have a super tight fist. I'm gonna break this board, but just to demonstrate, we'll be here.